Hello student, here we discuss bridging bonding, type of bridge bonding. So there are two type of bridge bonding. One is 3 center 2 electron bond and second is 3 center 4 electron bond. So when the electron deficient species carrying hydrogen CH3, C2H5 or pH, at that moment remember where hydrogen R. Here E is the electron deficient. E is electron deficient central atom. So central atom electron deficient, okay, central atom electron deficient, and when it is bonded like this and forming a bridge and R 6 R are there, so electron deficient it is, and R is can be H, it can be any alkyl group, methyl, ethyl, propyl or any other, or phenyl group. So R can be alkyl group, of aryl group or hydrogen. At that moment it will form 3 center 2 electron bond. Okay, in bridging alkyl group join E means central atom bridging with R. Okay, ER means central atom bridging with R, central atom bridging with R. So here we have taken B2S6 here, see, so B2S6 3 center 2 electron bond. This is one of the example of bridging bonding. Second example I told you earlier, BeH2. Here this is electron deficient, BeH2, and this is also BeH2. In solid form it is forming polymer, so it is also 3 center 2 electron bond. Now second type is 3 center 4 electron bond. So in this case this is also electron deficient, of course electron deficient, okay, but here X, that is halogen, it can be chloride, bromide or iodide or any ether group or amine group should present over here. At that moment it will form 3 center 4 electron bond. Why I am saying so? Because all these are having, see unpaired, this lone pair of electrons which are donated to this, okay, H8, clear? So they are donating electron pair to deficient element atom of an element. At that time it will form 3 center 4 electron bond. How many? 3 center 4 electron bonding will be there. LP participate in the bonding, clear? Here there is no LP because it is already electron deficient and R group are not having any lone pair of electron. This depends on the R group which are attached with. Here R is halogen, or it can be any electron rich species, for example ether group or amine group will be there, so they are having lone pair of electron with them, so they will donate electron pair to the electron deficient species. So 3 center 4 electron bond is formed. 3 center 4 electron, 4